Welcome to the Lenovo booth at ISE 2026. My name's Sean Langley and I'm going to talk about the Google Meet Series 1 Gen 3 room kits. So Google Meet room kits have been going strong for a number of years now. We're at generation 3 of our room kits and they're available in small, medium light and large sizes. So that's meeting rooms for 4 people up to around 24 people depending on the room acoustics. Big changes on the platform. The UI has had a complete overhaul. There's just been full interop announced with Microsoft Teams rooms, so that allows Google Meet rooms to call Microsoft Teams rooms and back and forth. Google Meet as a platform runs on Chrome OS. We have an Intel-based compute, which is at i7. We have lots of connectivity around the back, dual HDMI outputs, but all the peripherals are power over Ethernet. So that allows for super easy deployment, leveraging Cat5 cabling or higher to connect the peripherals up. On top of that, you can also use the USB ports to connect in additional cameras, microphones and speakers. For more information and purchasing about Google Meet Series 1 room kits, check out lenovo.com.